We did 4 ounces. Since we did 4 ounces of water, we're going to do 2 tabs. Wow, it's so pretty how the dye is dropping through the water. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, it feels it's. Why am I even trying?
So it's interesting how at first it was suspended between the oil and the water, and now it's not. Now it looks like the dye is actually heavier.
Okay, am I gonna put
Okay,
this in or
so
what?
so very gently put it in, and we'll see what happens.
And put the second one in right afterwards. And watch.
Huh.
What's it doing?
I don't know. I know it's not a lava lamp because lava lamps rely on heat.
Well, it's working off carbonation. It's picking up the food coloring in the water and moving it to the top, and then it has to float back down through the oil.
But it's acting like a lava lamp, isn't it?
Not really. My lava lamp acts differently. Okay, that looks like a face. That looks like a face.
That one has lifted all the way to the top, that one Alka-Seltzer tab. And it's
I
going
know.
to the top because it got pushed up by the other bubbles.
The bottom looks purple, I think. Wait, that looks kind of...
Maybe we should have just added the one tap.
Mm.
It's pretty.
The bottom is powdery. For some reason. I don't know why. Can you please stop right?
Elizabeth, please stop.